Lettuce from the garden is great. It can be a chore to harvest it, clean it, package it though. Start with a bucket of water. It's a nice looking lettuce. Flashy trout. Just gonna run more water on it. Most of the dirt should sink to the bottom, and the floaters will float off. That looks pretty good. I'll drain the water off. We'll take this bucket home. It'll be pretty clean. Weather has changed. Hot and windy yesterday, cold and rainy today. Time to pay the egg tax. This is that bottom layer of dirty lettuce. Goes right to the chickens. Chickens and gardens go great together. Thanks, girls. Thanks for hanging out at the Windmill Garden. I'll see you next time.